Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing good. Today, let's see how we can prepare falafel at home. Falafel is a fried snack which is very common in the Middle East. Each region prepares it in their own way with their own variations. So, here I'm trying to make a simple version of that using chickpeas. And also, I'm going to make a falafel sandwich, which is my family's favorite. So, hope you will enjoy. Keep watching. So here I'm firstly preparing an instant pickle. For that I have sliced some carrots and beetroot. This is thinly sliced using a peeler. Next boil some water and add salt as per your taste, and then add the sliced carrots and beetroot along with one green chili. If you wish you can increase the amount of green chili. Now this has to be cooked for at least 5 minutes until it will become slightly soft but still crunchy. Now this has been boiling for around 5 minutes. Now I have off the flame. Next add around 1 tablespoon of vinegar and mix this well and then keep aside. Try preparing this pickle at least 1 or 2 hours before you are trying to prepare the sandwich. Next, preparing the dough for the Arabic bread or khubz. I have earlier shared the recipe. Here I have used all-purpose flour and wheat flour together along with some milk powder, sugar, yeast, and then kneading the dough with some warm water. Next to the preparation of falafel, here I have soaked some chickpeas overnight. This is 2 cups of chickpeas. Next we need 1 cup of parsley and 1 cup of coriander leaves. Next 1 green chili, 4 cloves of garlic and a small piece of onion. Next we will be needing around half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next we have to grind all these ingredients into a paste along with the chickpeas. You can either use a processor. Here I am going to use my blender. Now after blending, this should be the consistency. Here I have not added any water. You can slightly pulse and grind. Next to this grinded paste, we are going to add salt as per your taste. Next we will be also adding some baking soda. That's around 1/4 teaspoon. Now give this a good mix and then immediately we can fry. Chips are rolled and left for proofing. For frying, here I am using a spoon like this. To this you can fill the dough. This is just to get a shape. You can just also roll it using your hands. And now just remove from this mold and then give a good shape, and then you can fry it. While frying, do not keep the flame very low, and also you can also spread sesame seeds like this. Try keeping on a medium flame and then fry until golden in color, so that it will be cooked from inside but still crunchy outside. To make healthy falafels, instead of frying, you can also bake this. Now the falafels are ready. Next, preparing a simple dip. You can also use this to serve along with the falafel or to spread inside the sandwich. For that we need 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 teaspoons of tahini paste. It's easy to make the tahini paste at home using sesame seeds. Add salt to taste. Next add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and mix all together. Next, for an extra flavor and spiciness, add 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes and mix. These are the other few ingredients which I have kept ready for the sandwich. Few french fries, then pan grilled eggplants, few salad leaves. You can also use lettuce instead. This is the instant pickle which we have prepared earlier. The sauce which we prepared just now. The hot falafel, you can cut them into half and keep ready. The hot Arabic bread which I have just prepared. You can either cut them into half, just like opening like this. You can either keep the filling inside and then wrap, or leave the bread as it is and then spread 1 teaspoon of the sauce. Then place all the other fillings like the french fries, the eggplant, the salad leaf. Next, place the pickle without the water. Few sliced tomatoes. Then the falafel which is cut into half, and then finally you can add more sauce if needed. Now it's time to wrap. You can tightly wrap this. Here my bread is a bit small. That's why I feel difficult in wrapping. But still I have managed. Now for serving and easily handling, you can wrap this again with a butter paper. So now the tasty falafel sandwich is ready here. You should definitely give this a try. The pickle and the salad, everything gives a very good combination. Hoping that you will try out these recipes. Please don't forget to support and then subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.